Alright, I'm back from my break. Got my son watching cartoons in the background. You just have to ignore that. Starting with number 11. Alright, so number 11. 4 to the power of 2x plus 7 is equal to 1 over 1024. Now, 4 can be prime factorized in 2s, and 1024 could also, but let's see if I can get a bunch of 4s out of 1024. So what times what is 1024? So it's probably going to be a bunch of 4s, base 4. What I can do is I can divide by 2, get 512, divided by 2, 256, divided by 2, 128, divided by 2, 64. We got 64 is 4 times 16, 4 times 4. So we have a 4 right here, that's a 4. We have a 4 right here. We have a 4, 4, and a 4. So basically, what we have is 4 to the power of 2x plus 7 equals 4 to the power of negative 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Because 4 to the power of 5 is 1024, but 4 to the power of negative 25 is the fraction 1 over 1024. Now we could do 2x plus 7 equals negative 5. One-to-one rule, if the bases are the same, we can ignore the bases and we can focus on the powers. Let's solve this. Subtract 7 both sides. We get 2x equals negative 12. Divide by 2, and we have x equals negative 6. The answer. There we go. Okay, so, number 12 is a new problem. Okay. Number 12. Log base 4, 256 equals question mark. Okay? So how do we rephrase this? Well, it is base 4 to the power of question mark equals 256. Basically, the log is the exponent. The log equals the exponent. So 4 to the power of what equals 256? Well, right off the bat, I don't know what it is, but I do know I can prime factorize this one. Well, divide by 4. 4 goes in 256 62 times. Nope, 64 times. 64 times, and 64 is 4 times 16, and 16 is 4 times 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 to the power of 4. You have to prime factorize to figure out what the powers are. I'm going to skip anything to the 4 to the power of blank equals 1. Anything to the power of 0 is equal to 1. Four to the power of blank equals negative 1 over 16. Well, 4 to the power of negative 2 equals 1 over 16. That's a base 10. Common log is base 10. So base 10 to the power of what equals 0.01? Well, it is negative 2. 10 to the power of negative 2 equals 0.01. A. Plug in 9. So plug in 9. Let's do 16. Let's go down, new page. 16. So f of 9 equals log base 2 of blank minus 5. Well, x is the 9. 9 minus 5. So it's going to be log base 2 of 4. 9 minus 5 is 4. 2 to the power of what equals 4? Well, that's a 2. 2 squared equals 4. There we go. 37. A, B, f of 37 equals log base 2 of 37 minus 5. I'm just plugging in x for x, or 37 for x. And 37 minus 5 is 32. 2 to the power of 5 equals 32, so that's going to equal 5. I forgot to write this down. 5. There we go. Write as a log. Okay, so this one, there's really no work here. We will always start with when we are changing it to a log equation. We must first start with an exponential equation. So the base 8 is isolated, so it's in exponential form. Now we can change it to logarithmic form. First thing we write is equals log base, and I need to go down here to get to the base. And the base was 8 because base 8 to the power of 2. And the x argument is 64, and that's gonna, the log is equal to the exponent 2. Check your answer. Yay, we got it. I'll just do this one really quick. What's the exponent? Negative 3 equals log. Can I do the log base? What's the base? 5 of 125. The only thing I didn't use is 1 over 125. Oh, taking a break. See you guys in the next one.